Intacct now has a new tool to evaluate your data and trends in your data, in addition to the standard financial reporting and custom reports that can be built within Intacct. This functionality is called Interactive Visual Explorer, or as some like to call it, IVE for short. Once it's configured, you're able to access IVE under Reports, and then down under Advanced, select Interactive Visual Explorer. And if I want to create a new visual board from scratch, I can hit add here, and I can pick the reporting area that I want to report on. So maybe I'll pick AP bills, and we'll just call this AP bills details, and then hit create visual board. And from here, it will provide me the options for data here on the left side to be able to drag and drop data filters into what I want to build here. So, for example, if I wanted to just drop in any of the kind of core GL account or time-related attributes, I can do that. I can get into related objects with regard to AP bills. So if I want to pull the AP bill, I can pull that information here. I can also create my own custom calculations. And so as I drag this onto here, it will populate data. But in the event of time, just to kind of show you as you build things out what this all looks like, this is a actual build outs of IVE. And so one tab here is what we call a canvas, and then each individual report or display here is called a visualization. And so as you see, I've got various filters across the top here. And so if I wanted to adjust this report here, so for example, this has got all of the years in the system, 2010 all the way out to 2023. But let's just say I want to take out 2010 through 2014. I can move them off of the grid here from a filter standpoint, and you'll see each visualization is recalibrating based on these changes that I've done. That's the beauty and the intent of IVE, is that it allows you to quickly manipulate your data and massage your data to get a different view, or quickly be able to assess your data with quick changes, as opposed to running a financial report repeatedly over and over. Again, I've got other options that I could select here. So if I wanted to select all of the properties, but then maybe take out these two, it will recalibrate everything based on that. You can also build these out. So here's another example with several visualizations on them, but you can also do one by one here. So if I do this revenue by location, again, I've got multiple years in it. If I want to take out a couple of years, it will recalibrate my data based on the years that are still included here. And the same process here. Like right now, I've got several different expense accounts assessing labor costs, hourly labor, insurance workers, manager bonuses, etc. If I wanted to go out and take out a couple of these, I could do that, and it'll recalibrate the remaining expenses that I still have here. So a lot of really neat things you can do, and the idea again is that you build these canvases out to be dynamic and update the parameters on the fly here as you build these out.